हेलो बच्चों, इससे पिछले लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक आपको करा था और उससे आगे के क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क में दिए थे। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपने उन क्वेश्चनों को कर लिया होगा। यदि कोई डाउट है तो उन्हें आप पूछ सकते हैं। अब हम यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 और इससे पहले आप एनसीईआरटी बुक में देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 दोनों सेम है। यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है, सो दैट ईच ऑफ द रिलेशन आर इन द सेट ए x belong to z, where z denote the integers lie between 0 and 12 and equal to 12, given by r is equal to ab, mod of ab is a multiple of 4. In the question number 8, mod of a minus b is an even number. Both questions are similarly same. Second part, r is equal to ab such that a is equal to b. Solution. पहले हम लोग इसे चेक करेंगे रिफ्लेक्सिविटी इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन के लिए। तो रिफ्लेक्सिविटी के लिए जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हमने लिया लेट A belong to set A, so then we know that A minus A mod is equal to 0 is an integer, is a multiple of 4. So this implies that A belong to R, or therefore R is reflexive. Relation. Second point, symmetric. Let AB belong to A and AB belong to R. This implies that mod of A minus B is equal to is a multiple of 4. This implies that mod of my B minus A is also a multiple of 4. That is, this implies that the ordered pair BA belong to R. That is, R is symmetric relation. Now, for transitive, let A, B and C belong to Z and ordered pair AB belong to R, BA, AB belong to R and BC is also belong to R. This implies that mod of A minus B and mod of B minus C is a multiple of 4. That is, mod A minus B is equal to say 4 lambda and A minus B is equal to plus minus 4 lambda. Mod B minus C is equal to 4 mu. Now this implies that B minus C is equal to plus minus 4 mu. That is equation first, that is equation second. By adding equation first and second, equation first and second, we find by adding equation first and second, we find a minus c is equal to plus minus 4 lambda plus mu. A minus c is equal to plus minus 4, say a new integers, or this implies that mod of a minus c is equal to 4k, or mod of a minus c is a multiple of 4, or this implies that ordered pair AC belong to R. By the definition of the transitive function, AB belong to R, BC belong to R, then AC belong to R. So therefore R is transitive relation, or hence R is an equivalence relation. Now, similarly, if you see in the part second, इसे हम देख रहे हैं order pair AB such that A is equal to B is also an equivalence relation. इस पार्ट को हम आपके वर्बली डिस्कस करेंगे और इसे आप लोग खुद अपने आप करेंगे. कैसे? Every number is equal to itself, that is A is equal to A, that is A belong to R, that is A belong to R, A belong to Z, this implies that A is equal to A, this implies that ordered pair A belong to R. ऐसे ही हम लोग लेंगे. ये तो हो गया आपका सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन. नाउ लेट AB belong to R, this implies that A is equal to B, also B is equal to A, this implies that BA belong to R, or therefore R is symmetric. Now we take A, B and C are three integers such that AB belong to R, BC belong to R. From equation first and second we get A is equal to C. This implies that the ordered pair AC belong to R. So therefore R is transitive, or hence we can see that by the definition of the equivalence relation, R is an equivalence relation because R is reflexive, R is symmetric, R is transitive. Yes, student, please. Now we see the question number 10, containing the 5 parts. Part first. In this question, give some example which satisfy the following conditions. Number first is symmetric, but neither reflexive or nor transitive. Here, give the example of a relation such that which is symmetric तो होना चाहिए लेकिन रिफ्लेक्सिव और ट्रांजिटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. लेट we take a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and define R is equal to containing the order pair 1, 2, that is 2, 1. Clearly, R is symmetric. Since AB belong to R, then BA belong to R. But 1, 1, 2, 2 ordered pair, 3, 3 does not belong to R. So therefore R is not reflexive. Also 1, 2 belong to R and 2, 1 belong to R, but 1, 1 not belong to R, or therefore R is not transitive. So therefore this is the example which defines the relation which is symmetric but neither reflexive or nor transitive. We also give some more example of such type. You try itself. Now